Mills, defending track champion back here at the Beckley Motor Speedway on Road 9. BJ Grimshaw and Robert Tanner bringing up the rear of the field. We're going to go green flag racing out of turn 4. 30 laps of distance, no caution flags. If the track's blocked or there is a safety issue, we will throw the red. Other than that, we're green flag and gone. Chris Mills going to take the early race lead down the back straightaway. Ryan Leach going to follow suit. Joseph Sampson following right there with him. Lots of feature wins right there in that top 3 as they rage war down the front straightaway. Give the early race lead to Chris Mills. Ryan Leach in the 2nd spot. Joseph Sampson in the 3rd spot. Spanky Gibson now going to give up that 4th spot. He's going to hang tight with it. The 7 machine of Brian Gullion, they're going to go door handle to door handle as they go into turn number 1. The 06 of Wyatt Plumley starting to make his way up through the field. They're going to go 3 wide down the back straightaway. Spanky them eating the sandwich. Chris Mills getting hounded for the lead by that 2 machine. The top 3 starting to break away 3 laps into this thing. Come up on the 71M, put him a lap down the back straightaway. We got him beating and banging back here through the field. Dave Lively got a handful of steering wheel. They're going to make contact. We got one sideways on the front straightaway. The track is blocked. Red flag going to come out. Lights are flashing. 3, 2, 1. Green flag is back out. We're underway in the Enduro. 6 laps in the books. 24 laps left to go. Your race leader now on the back straightaway. That's the blue and yellow number 2. That's Ryan Leach. 2nd spot's going to be that 17 machine of Joseph Sampson. He splits him down the back straightaway, and he's bringing Wyatt Plumley with him. Looking for the 210 machine of our current points leader, Bob Fry, running the 5th spot. He's looking to extend that race lead as Robert Tanner in the 10th spot. Of Thomas Bruning pulling at pit side. Tough break for the 13 machine as he made his way. I lied, but Bruning's going down the back straightaway. I'm not sure what car just pulled in the infield. That's the 24 machine of BJ Grimshaw. Calling early. We got the 42 machine in the fence up in turn number 2. The 42 machine in the fence. The 210 is going to get docked if he don't get it stopped. Four, 3, 2, 1. Green flag is out. We're back underway in the Enduro's. 11 laps in the books. 29 or 19 laps left to go. I can't add. It's been that long of a night. I'm sorry, guys. Ryan Leach going to continue to be your race leader. Joseph Sampson now working his way into turns 3 and 4. That's your 2nd place car. Wyatt Plumley into the 3rd spot. 4th spot will be Layton Leach. 5th place is Bob Fry. Robert Tanner's on the move in the 8th spot. Looking to close that distance on the 210. Again, 2 points, the difference. Leach going to work by your points leader, Bob Fry, down the back straightaway. This time by halfway home, the cross flags are out for the 2 machine. Trying to get the blue and a gold, a victory today after a tough loss to the Pittsburgh Pit. I can't say what I want to say there. I'll get in trouble. It's not the concessions food that I'm talking about eating. Got a little bit of character down here in turn number 4. Looks like somebody left their bumper. Looks like that belongs to this red and white machine. That's one of our own out there in the 77 machine. He works part-time out here as our lineup guy. Old Starsky and Hutch going down the back straightaway. Anthony putting on a show here. Joseph Sampson trying to run down race leader. He's got 6 seconds to make it up. Robert Tanner now within 1 car of Bob Fry. Robert Tanner looking to retake the points lead. Bob Fry out front by 2 points. As they go into double points next week, every point matters with a handful of points races left here in the season. Ten laps to go for the 2 machine of Ryan Leach as he continues to put on a clinic and out to a 7-second lead. Bob Fry continuing to keep that points lead with consistency. Another top 5 run for the 210 machine. If he can hang on, 9 more laps. Robert Tanner looking to run him down, trying to get around that 8 machine. Like I said, every point matters. That's a point in front of him in that 8 machine. Your leaders crossing the start-finish line now. Your second place car of Joseph Sampson out of turn 4. The black and white number 17 trying to close the distance. Wyatt Plumley off the pace in the 06 machine. The 06 going to pull it pit side. Tough break for Wyatt Plumley. Five laps to go. This time 4 to go for the 2 machine as he crosses the start-finish line. Joseph Sampson on the top side trying to run him down, but the sands are running out of the hourglass. The 2 machine, lap traffic now becoming a problem, and the 17's on full send mode. Does he have enough time to make it to the front? This time by, he takes 3 seconds off. The 2 machine stuck behind lap traffic, and the 17 full send into 3 and 4. The 2 had a 7-second lead. It is now cut down this time by to 2.8 seconds. Ryan Leach has got 1 car in front, and then he's got clear track as he comes around for the white flag. 1 more time around for the 2 machine. Down the back straightaway for the final time. Into 3 and 4. Give the race win to Ryan Leach. Second spot's going to go to Joseph Sampson. Third spot to Layton Leach. Fourth spot will go to Bob Fry. Fifth to Chandler Martin. Sixth to Robert Tanner. Seventh spot will go to the 13 of Thomas Rooney. Thank you guys for spending your Saturday night with us here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. If you're heading out, be safe on your way home. We'll see you back here for double points night on Saturday, September the 28th. Finds his way back into victory lane here in the two machine. Y'all make some noise for Elkview, West Virginia's Ryan Leach.